About this item: compact design. The compact designed portable Benfei VGA to HDMI adapter connects a computer, desktop, laptop, or other devices with VGA port to a monitor, projector, HD TV, or other devices with HDMI port. Tuck this lightweight gadget into your bag or pocket to do a business presentation with your laptop and projector, or extend your desktop screen to a monitor or TV. A HDMI cable is required. Superior stability. Built-in advanced IC chip converts VGA analog signal to HDMI digital signal. It is not a bidirectional converter and cannot transmit signals from HDMI to VGA's audio support, with an integrated USB cable that embeds the audio along with the video over HDMI. Digital USB audio can be configured from the sound menu in Windows to output the audio to the connected display. Broad compatibility. The VGA HDMI adapter is compatible with computer, PC, desktop, laptop, or other device with VGA output, the monitor with HDMI input, its plug-in and play. 18-month warranty. Exclusive Benfei unconditional 18-month warranty ensures long-time satisfaction of your purchase. Friendly and easy to reach customer service to solve your problems timely. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: compact design. The compact designed portable Benfei VGA to HDMI adapter